Hi, my name is Grace Kerrigan, and this is my Heritage Project. So, to introduce you to my family, for my mom's family, my grandfather immigrated to the United States in the 1950s from Germany. Now, for my dad's family, my grandmother immigrated to the United States in the late 1950s from Canada. Now, there's a photograph in the top right corner. The photograph is of my grandmother with 3 of her 6 siblings in Canada. Now, in the bottom right corner, there's a photograph of my grandfather's passport photo when he was immigrating to the United States as a kid. So, what were the push factors and the pull factors? The push factors for my mom's family was living in poverty in Germany as an after effect of World War II. Now, for my dad's family, it was lack of opportunities. For the pull factors for my mom's family, it was economic opportunities, and my grandfather had connection to the United States. For my dad's family, it was job opportunities, specifically for the steel industry, to make metals for the space program. Now, what were the challenges? For my mom's family, they had little space, there was language differences, and they were not financially supported. For my dad's family, they had no support system, they did not get to see their family from their home country, and it was hard to adapt to the American culture. For an example, the food, drinks, sports, and even segregation between whites and blacks. So, my family heritage versus historical immigrants. After World War II, the American economy thrived and our country needed more engineers. My great-grandfather was a chemical engineer and came to America to work in the steel industry. My family's experience was similar to other immigrants in earlier times who came to America looking for work. Back then, most workers who came to America were laborers who worked with their hands and were not engineers. My family had an easier time immigrating to the United States because both of my great-grandparents had good jobs. Now, to the right, there's a graph of total immigrants by region. In this graph, European immigrants, which includes German immigrants, moved to America because of the after effects of World War II. The effects my family fought were political refuge, religious refuge, and refuge even from the German army. My new perspective. In the past, I thought immigrating to the United States was just like moving from one state to another. However, now I realize that many immigrants from my own family had to overcome language and cultural barriers to be successful in America. Thank you for watching, and this is my Heritage Project.